Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money with your WhatsApp. So first and foremost, this website just launched on January 1st and it has been paying people recently with the minimum withdrawal of 2,200 naira. So guys, before I continue this video, I'm going to place a withdrawal. So I can see my account balance here, 2,295.93 naira. I'm going to place a withdrawal. This is my account number. I'm going to place a withdrawal. I'll click on withdraw. So guys, let's see whether this app is really paying or not. So guys, follow this video to the very end. I'm going to pause this video, and once I receive this exact amount, I'm going to resume the video. Right now guys, after waiting for so long, I have successfully withdrawn my 2,000 naira. As you can see right here, already arrived. Let me check my bank account and show you. So guys, I received it this evening. It doesn't even take up to 4 hours. As you can see right here, this is the 2,000 naira I received. See the transaction right here. As you can see right here, I placed the withdrawal in the morning and I've received the withdrawal right here, the 2,000 naira I placed in the morning with the 200 naira as the fee. In order to use this app right here, I'll be leaving the link in the description box and also in the comment section. In order to use this app, just click the link I'll be leaving there. It's going to open up the website. You're going to sign up with your phone number. That's the phone number and your phone number, your password, and every necessary details. Then once you've signed up, it's going to open a page like this. So guys, what this site actually does is you connect your WhatsApp to it and you earn automatically from it. So guys, right here, before connecting your WhatsApp, ensure that it is not your main WhatsApp. Just use your second WhatsApp. So guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to add your second account to your WhatsApp. Just come right to your WhatsApp account, click these three dots right here, then click on settings. Once you've clicked on settings, you can see this down arrow right here. Once you click on this down arrow, you can select any account. But if you have not added any WhatsApp account here before, you're going to see add another account right here. You're going to see something like that. So guys, I'm going to add your second phone number and create a new WhatsApp account. Then you can now switch it right, as you can see. Once you've added it and you press this dots once again, I'm going to say I have my second WhatsApp account, and that is what I connected to this actual site. That is what I connected to this actual site, guys. That's what I connected. So guys, what you're gonna do, just once you've opened this second WhatsApp, before you connect it to this site, just come right to your settings, then go to your privacy, scroll down. You're gonna see advanced, click on advanced, then turn every single thing here on. Turn it on. That will help you to avoid being blocked on WhatsApp. So guys, let's go on. This is the site. So guys, once you've connected your WhatsApp for the first time, you're going to be earning random bonus between 100 naira to 500. So guys, you're going to be claiming your earnings. As you can see, I've been online for 7 hours for today. You're going to be claiming your earnings every 24 hours. So guys, once you open this site for the first time, you're going to click on get income. Then enter your phone number right here and click on get OTP. Whatever you get right here, you can see this tutorial right here. Once you've gotten your OTP, then come right here to your linked devices. Then click on link a device. That's on your new WhatsApp. Don't forget, on your new WhatsApp, click on link a device. Then click on link with phone number instead. Don't use the QR code scanner. Just click link with phone number instead. After you might have clicked link a device, then right here enter the OTP you should have been given on this website. The OTP which you have been given on this website, enter the OTP right there and wait for some time. Then your WhatsApp will be automatically connected to this website and you can start earning automatically without doing anything on this website. All you have to do is just to connect your WhatsApp and leave it. Then the next thing is the invite task. Whenever you refer a friend and your friend draws his earning, you will earn 500 naira automatically. So guys, just once you refer your friend and your friend joins and withdraws successfully, so once you invite your friends, their list is going to be showing here, but you're not going to be earning the 500 naira immediately. That's once they have completed one withdrawal, they'll be considered as a valid referral and they are going to give you 500 naira. The minimum withdrawal on this website is 2,000 naira, and I made this 2,000 naira under 6 days. Under 6 days of joining this app, I made 6,000 naira. So once you've connected your WhatsApp for 24 hours, this thing right here every day you'll be receiving one spin daily, which you can earn 1,800. You can see the amount of money you can win on this spinner stuff right here. So guys, once you have done all this things, once you've connected your WhatsApp for the first time here, this bar right here, this bar something right here is going to, once it's full, you're going to be getting any random bonus. So guys, you can connect more than one WhatsApp account to this website. So guys, once you come to this mine place, once you click on this withdrawal place, once you click on withdrawal, you're going to be adding your bank card here. The minimum withdrawal here guys is 2,200. As you can see guys, I've placed my withdrawal at the beginning of the video. That's how to place withdrawal. Just look at the beginning how I placed my withdrawal. That's how to place withdrawal. So guys, if you have not added your bank account for the first time, you're going to be seeing something like add bank card right here. So just click on that add bank card, then select your bank, then just click on save, and your bank account is saved successfully. So guys, don't forget, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to leave a like and a subscription. Guys, please do not forget to leave a like and a subscription to encourage me to make more videos like this.